I mean, not the last. I'm so sorry. So this one is the seat side seat. So first, you need your body keep inside, like keep inside, not inside. It's side like that, and you just your hands just keep in here, and your face just go be look so